I just spent 3 hours testing the new wave of AI agents, and honestly, I'm shocked. If you're still using ChatGPT for everything, you're doing AI the hard way. Here's the thing. ChatGPT tells you how to do things. AI agents actually do them. While you're copying and pasting, AI agents are booking your meetings, analyzing your data, and sending your emails automatically. So what exactly are AI agents? Think of them as your personal AI workforce. They're not just chatbots, they are autonomous systems with 6 key abilities. They can reason and plan, observe their environment, act on your behalf, collaborate with other agents, and even self-refine to get better over time. Let's make this real. Imagine an AI agent managing your inbox. It reads your emails, prioritizes what's important, drafts replies, and even schedules meetings right into your calendar, all while you're getting coffee. Or what about travel? Instead of spending hours on different websites, you just tell your agent your destination and budget. It finds the best flight, books it, and adds it to your calendar. Done. And the best part? You don't need to be a developer to use them. Platforms like Lindy and N8N let you build powerful AI agents with simple, no-code interfaces. You can start automating your life in minutes. AI agents are the future of productivity, and they're here now. Ready to try one? I've linked 3 beginner-friendly platforms in the description below. Start with one simple task, like sorting your emails, and watch it work. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead in the world of AI, make sure to subscribe to H2AI.